classic.
Oh, na 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 na. It's another one, yeah. Another one, yeah. Oh. Ah, yeah, da, 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 da. Oh. Logo. All my day, I got you. It's a bad day, I got you.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Minami and I'm here again with a hair video. So if you're new to my channel, do all to subscribe below. If you like to see how I do the ponytail, do all to keep watching. So I'm just going to be combing through my hair, make sure that it's free from tangles in order to start doing the ponytail. If you want to see why my hair is this nice, thick and fluffy, I'm going to link my hair treatment video down below. Do all to try it out and tell me how it worked wonders for your hair. Okay, so I'm going to start off by parting my hair. I want my ponytail to have a side part, so I'm just going to do the line, part my hair. My hair is not that clean. I've been switching styles lately, so I just wanted to do this ponytail before washing my hair, so free me. Okay, so I'm just going to part my hair. After that, I'm going to comb through, because if you want your ponytail to be sleek, to really lay flat, my hair grows so fast, so I have undergrowth, new growth, so I have to comb through in order to make sure that my ponytail is sleek. So I just took my hair oil. It's the Mega Growth Protective Growth Revitalizer oil. So I'm just going to apply that on the line. That's what I did. Then make sure my line is how I want it to be. Then I went in with this spray bottle which is filled with water and conditioner, and I'm just going to spray it on my hair to make my hair a little bit wet. All this is the journey to a sleek ponytail. Okay, I'm just going to comb. Yeah, my hair is too thick and it hurts, yes. So I'm going to just comb through and use this band. You can use a rubber band, it depends on you. Use a hair bowl. So I'm just going to hold my hair back together. Okay, this is where we are right now. I'm just going to go in with my hair mousse just to help it slick down even more. So I'm just going to go in with, and I was playing. If you know me, you know I love playing. I love being happy. I love playing. So I'm just going to apply the mousse all over my hair and go in with this hard brush just to slick it down. Okay, after using this hard brush and the mousse, you may want to go in again and maybe untie the bow behind and hold your hair again. That's what I did, but I lost the clip, because after applying the mousse you realize that you didn't hold all of the hair that much, so you're going to comb through again and hold it together. I went into my Got2be styling gel, the transparent one, and I'm just going to start doing my baby hair, slick my edges and going with my ponytail how I want it, how I like it, how I picture it in my mind. That's what I'm going to do. And don't come for me. You can use an old toothbrush. You can use a toothbrush. You can use a toothbrush to do your baby hair. Or I just wanted to try something new today, so I went into my mascara one to do the job, and it did a very pretty job. I think you can see for yourself. It did bring the look for me. I didn't use a toothbrush today, so I'll just keep going back and forth to slick it and make sure it's how I want it. So it depends on you. You're going to see me go back and forth just to make sure, because me being the perfectionist that I am, I'm going back and forth trying to make it look better. I don't know who sent me, but so it depends on you, the preference, what you want. You could as well skip the baby hair part, but I wanted it makes it look more bougie and soft, so I'm just going to keep going. And while I'm doing the baby hair, in fact, if you want, I can bring a video for a detailed baby hair tutorial and different ways you can do your baby hair. If you want that duel, to comment down below and I'm sure going to bring the video for you. Okay, yeah, this is me being a perfectionist. And between, hope you all are doing great, hope you're living life well, hope you're happy, and yeah, keep watching. Do also subscribe down below. If you're loving the video so far, do well to give it a thumbs up and join the family. Okay, yeah, so just going back again with some water, and then my mascara one, just making sure everything is going to be nice and sleek. I went into my freeze spray just to give it extra hold. Depends on you, sister girl. If you want to use the hair just for a day, maybe it's not necessary. Then I went into my braiding hair. You may use a pack of braiding hair, crystal, expression, any one of your choice. This was just some braiding hair I had around, so I just used it. And there are actually two ways you can attach your ponytail, but I just showed one in this video. Subsequently, in other videos, I'm going to show you the other method. So hope you saw that. I think it's self-explanatory. Explaining it can be a disaster, so just watch. And I'm just going to wrap it around my hair, and I'm going to send my natural hair underneath. You can decide to braid your hair under the ponytail, but I decided to use my hair to add extra volume to my bubbles. Since my hair is thick and long, I'm going to just leave my hair underneath the braiding hair, and I'm just going to do my bubbles. Just as you see, I took off some of the hair just to wrap it around to make the ponytail look even neat. Then went in with some bobby pins to secure the ponytail, the extension, so that it's not moving. If you have to whip your hair back and forth, it's not going to move. After that, I'm just going to make sure everything is nice. Then I went into these tiny rubber bands, and that's what we're going to use to create the bubbles. The first attempt was a fail because I tried going with the rubber band twice and it was really small, so you had to cut. So you're just going to go one time, yeah, like that, and you keep going and coming down. And this is a trick. I folded the hair not exactly in the middle, and I used my natural hair to add volume such that my bubbles are coming like from the top. They are bigger, they're not equal, and it's becoming like, what's that? That descending order, yes, something like that, from the biggest to the smallest in descending order. Like the bubbles at the top are bigger than the ones down. So I'm just going to keep applying the rubber bands till I get down on it. Okay. Oh Lord, look at my mouth. When I'm serious now, it feels like my mouth is going to kiss the camera. So I'm just going to open up my bubbles so that they look a little bit more fluffy. Yeah. And I went in with this thing, I don't know how it's called, but I got it from, I think, yeah, some hair that I had. I'm just going to wrap it around the hair just to add more spice, then cut off the excess. If you want, you could leave it like that, but girl, it looks more decent this way. So I thought of adding this, but that was not necessary. I thought it would look childish. It depends on you. You can go ahead to add other jewelries or anything to make it look nice, But so that's it for this video. Hope you like it, hope you're going to try it. You might just want to go out for a little dinner date, or instead of going with your hair simple, do well to try out this